Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to update payment method on YouTube Premium. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access your YouTube Premium account settings. So visit the YouTube website and log in into your YouTube Premium account using your credentials. If you're already logged in, proceed to the next step. The following step is to go to your account settings. So click on your profile icon or initials in the top right corner of the YouTube interface. In the drop down menu, select settings or account. The next step is to navigate to the payments section. So in the account settings menu, locate the payments or billing section. Click on it to access your payment settings and options. The fourth step is to add or update your payment method. So within the payments or billing section, you should see the option to manage your payment method. Look for a button or link that allows you to add or update your payment method. Click on it to proceed. The last step is to enter your new payment information. So follow the prompts and instructions provided to enter your new payment information. This typically includes entering your credit card details, billing address, and any other required information. Provide the necessary details accurately and completely. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.